Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Happy Thursday. I don't normally put a video up on Thursday, but I wanted to this time. So this is going to be it. How y'all doing? I hope your week's going well. Today we're going to work on a couple of challenges that I've had for a little bit and just hadn't started, and one that I actually started last year and lost interest in it. So I want to try to start it again and see if I can get reinterested in it. So are y'all ready to help me out? Let's get down here and I'll show y'all what I'm going to do. Alrighty, this first challenge, it's a refrigerator challenge that Janet over at My Modern Homestead made. I've got $20 that I'm bringing to the game. There are 7 pages in here, so I'm going to use an 8-sided dice. If I get an 8, I'll re-roll, and this will tell me what page to go to. All right, we got page 6. So we know that's page 7. So this is page 6. And we're going to use the D3 dice to tell us what we're going to pay. And we got a 2. So we're going to put $2 in for the plums. Or not plums, those are pears. All right. We got a 1. That would be the dairy. And we got a $1 bill for milk. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everything's going good. All right, we got an 8. Alrighty, that's a 6. And that's a 2. So there's $2. There's an 8. We don't have an 8. There's a 3. 1, 2, 3. And it got $3. 1, 2, 3. We've already did 6. That's, what is that? That's a 7. So that's the last page. And we got 2. 1, 2. There's a 5, 7, 6, 5. So there's 2 for that milk. All right. 6. We got 2. 1, 2. And 3. There's 1, 2, and 3. And we got a 3. So there's 3. We got $3 left. We got page 5, 3, 4, and 5. And we got 2. So we got $1 left. So let's see, page 4. So we're going to add $1 right there. All right, now then, we're going to go back. There's $2, $4, $6, $7. It's going into this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Was there any on the back? Yep, $2 for the back page. That's going to go into this. All right. 2, 4, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to go in for this page. And, well, I can get my fingers to work right. 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Okay, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. I was about to short cheat myself. And the dollar goes into this one. All right, so there's that started. Now we're going to do, this one is by CBA Mom Saves. It's her Stock the Pantry freezer. I brought $20 to this one. And this one you draw cards. And I have shuffled these up. So let's see where we're going to go. Bonus. Your family was really hungry. Restock time. Save $5. All right, so we're down to 15. Okay, we got milk, frozen vegetables, and ham. Let's see. Milk, frozen vegetables. Whichever one we come to first. Okay, there's the milk. That's $2. So we're down to 13. Frozen vegetables and ham. There's the ham. That's $1. So we're down to 12. There's the frozen vegetables. That's $3. So we're down to 9. Bonus. Run the local grocery store. Run. The local grocery store has a BOGO sale. Save $4. All right, that puts us down to $5. There's the pantry closet thingy. That's $4. And we need the vegetables or something for $1. Yogurt and meat in a baggie. That's $2. We got to have $1. There you go, the yogurt. That's $1. All right, there's $20. That quick. All right, that's done. That's done. All 3 of these are done. And this is done. And this is done. All right. So this one has to go back in the pile because it's not done yet. Still got one more. All right, so we'll throw that back in the pile. Just that quick, we got that one done. Alrighty. So we're going to set this aside. And I brought $20 to play the 100 envelope challenge with a twist. And we are going to roll a 3-sided dice, a D3, and that's going to tell us what we're going to put in here. So there's $3. Now then, we just got to get our fingers to work right. This little challenge is from CBA Mom Saves. So there's 3, and it's got 4 deals on it. There's 1, so that's 4. 3 makes 7. 2 makes 9. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that one is fully funded. So we will put $9 on here. And at some point, I may have to change these for smaller amounts and do them for quarters or something. All right, this one is from Janet at My Modern Homestead. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. So that one is fully funded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we need a fully funded for $8 for that one. And we've only got $3 left, so we will at least start this one. This one is, well, I can get it out. This one is from Oma's Low Income Journey. So let's see what we get. Oh, we got 3 right off the bat. So we'll put a 3 here, and that's all we can save for now. So we'll put the $3 in here. Alrighty. So this money will go back here with the rest of it from what I did last year and hadn't done nothing else with it. All right. Well, there we have it. We started some more, and maybe we can get them done this time. It takes me a minute to get myself to where that I can do a long-term challenge. I tend to lose interest real quick if I see they're going to take me a long time. But y'all, I'm going to do my best this year to get this one done. But anyway, there's a Thursday video. If you like this kind of content, leave me a thumbs up. If you really enjoyed it, leave me a comment. I love to read your comments. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I think you're the best in the world. But with that, I'm going to say good afternoon. God bless. Take care. And until we meet again, I'll catch y'all on the next one. On the flip side. Bye now.